Hello, welcome again to another version of our Trades Tuesday here, and I am very excited to give a little bit of a sneak peek into some of our latest technology that we have coming out here at Interplay. You know, the one thing that I know that's for sure that is consistent, and maybe I'll use a $4 word and ubiquitous amongst, you know, a trades professional, somebody getting into the trades, is the fact that I do know that they have a smartphone. So, you know, that is the absolute, you know, that is going to be with somebody at all times. And luckily, actually, our video-based training can all be taken through a web browser. All quiz questions, you can be reached, you know, you can basically do it on your phone at all times. So, you know, we do have that capability, and that's only going to get better and better on that end. But in the end, many times the actual use of the simulations currently not going to be able to be done via the phone, but this is where things are getting exciting. Almost every company, I don't know, it could be interesting 50-50, could be using phones to do a whole lot of their processing, but a whole lot of companies are going to be using tablets when they're doing any of their purchasing systems, when they're at a customer's home. And so we're really excited at the fact that our Interplay app for both iPad and Android tablet is getting closer and closer to launching. The way we build our simulations, imagine we build these virtual worlds, we build this interactive mechanical equipment, and then at the end, we're porting it towards VR. We're porting it to play on a desktop or laptop, and then now we've gotten it ported to play in on a tablet. I will say I kind of have a Mondo iPad Pro here. I know I'm probably this is probably not the most common one, but trust me, it's going to work across all, you know, core Android, iPad tablets that you have. But the cool thing is any of you who have been inside of our desktop app, to think this interface is identical. Every single part, every almost code, you know, line that you could say is identical to what you're going to have on a desktop lab. You know, the performance that you're going to have on a web browser, identical to what you're going to have inside of our latest app. And to be honest, the one thing I know from having dealt with many teams, many you know, users on, you know, trades folks, is, to be honest, this tablet that you all have is probably more powerful, more connected to the internet than any desktop that you've got at you know, your local facility or your office or in the warehouse that you guys maybe are going to once or twice a week. Whereas this, you've got this every day, is probably more powerful than anything you got. So let's just dive in, pop in. Clearly you're going to have video courses just like we have, but I will just go ahead and launch one of our sims. Might take a second to load here, getting the outline up and running. This is currently in what you call a test flight mode, and so it's not, you know, don't go thousands of you rush to the iPad store quite yet, not there. Here, let's see, oh, there we go. Okay, so now we have the same learning outline like you'd see via any desktop, even if you had on your VR headset. You're gonna have, you know, courses identical. Be able to launch the video, but then also we can dive in here, and now let's launch this through your sim. We know more and more companies are asking us, say, hey, we've got access to everybody with iPads. Like, I look at this as being perfect for a company to say, hey, everybody in the company now has access to their training right here on their app, right next to their purchasing software, or their, you know, however they're getting contacted to say, hey, this is where you're going next. Right next to that, going to also be your training app. So we're really excited for that. But here, let's just dive in, new sim. You know, in the end, you know, the functionality is identical. Yeah, we're in a training mode exercise here, but clearly you'd still have challenge and assessment mode capabilities too. You know, in my mind, this basically is the future of how do you scalably, you know, get training in the hands of a deskless worker like many of you are. Nobody here is going to the desk every day. You know, you're on the road, you're in a truck. This is how you get access to your training and in an engaging and an interactive way. So pretty excited on that front. In the end, you know, the science behind all our multimeters, all our electromechanical systems are all the same because, you know, basically it all derives from, there we go, I'm trying to do this I probably wouldn't be training with my left hand here. Probably would have it switched. But really just wanted to dive in, show you guys how in the end this learning experience is arguably going to be the best one Interplay has. VR has its pretty awesome interactivity or engaging and immersive level of what you can access there. But to be honest, the touch aspects inside of a tablet, the fact that you can access this literally anywhere at any time is going to be insanely compelling. We're clearly going to keep you guys up to date on when this launches live, but to be honest, and this Lauren here filming me may not know this, but for people that are excited to possibly even try this out, you're watching this video here, shoot a quick email to support@interplaylearning.com and maybe we can get you doing a little test action on the app. So why not? That's one of the benefits that you get for watching. Technically, this is Trades Tuesday, but it's happening on a Wednesday because I left my iPad at home yesterday. I got in trouble. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Excited for this to be coming out here pretty soon. Be on the lookout. Hit up support@interplaylearning.com if you want a little early visibility into this. Clearly, you got to have a live Interplay account to get into our test action there, but I hope some of you guys do that and give us feedback, and I hope you enjoy it. Have a good one. Bye.